Oh my goodness, couple mini bikes. We'll see what we get. So we gave them both a little bath. Now we're gonna air up the tire, back tire on this one at least. We're gonna adjust the brakes and we're gonna fix this throttle cable. You can see the big slack in it here. And it can't pull the throttle like it's supposed to. So we're gonna fix this linkage. You guys can see this here, this throttle cable stretch. Usually on these go-karts, this is kind of bent. I'm gonna have to put a return spring on this. But as you can see, the throttle cable's just got way too much slack in it. We're gonna fix that right now. Two things gotta happen. This needs to be pulled through here, but this also needs to be reset back further because there's nowhere for the throttle to open. So as you can see, I cut a bunch of this frayed cable off. I looped her in here. I got the jam nut on her. I tightened up this cable housing clip. Now we'll see if the throttle's good. Got the stage 1 kit on her, boys. Mike, go ahead and put the return. I'm gonna put a spring on it before any kids get on it. That main jet's clogged. You heard it bogging out right on the bottom of the bowl. 10 mil, we're gonna take that off. The whole bowl should come off. We can pull the jet and clean it right here. Now this is just good old mini bike carb cleaning. You don't have to take it off and do all that. If you do, you might as well buy a carb. We're gonna get up in this main jet and clean her out. Yeah, we gotta adjust the brake and put a spring on this kickstand. Well, we got this one running. We get this one running. Covered the seat. We're gonna see if we have to end up doing the a new carburetor on it or not. We cleaned it, but we'll see. It's running. Got it going. I rode it. It's boring. See what she got. Disc brakes, that's nice. It's a square body, doodle bug, Baja doodle bug. Then I put him a 212 Predator in there. Slapped him a shock on the back, so it doesn't really have much suspension there. Disc brake, some good old Mocos all over the welds, dudes. Get up in there. This is just another extra little one, dudes. I might keep that. Puttered rim. We're all just out cruising, 4th of July style. So, dudes, I appreciate you watching. Happy 4th of July. Dang. You got the video coming on the C7500 top kick right here. Now let go of the brake. Let go of the clutch slow. Wait. Push in the clutch. Let go of the clutch slow. Straighten her up. Let her go. Give her some gas. Nice and easy, boy. Get your hand on the shifter, clutch, push it all the way down, up and over. All right, let her go. Easy, that's fast enough, boy. Let off the gas. Let's see you use your brake a little, very softly. Let go. It's got really good brakes, okay? You just barely touch them. Check out this blaster and more stuff, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and order a piston kit. Gaskets for this cowie so we can get it done real quick. Ordered all the parts I need for this blaster. I think, I haven't confirmed, but I assume it's a set of reeds that it needs because it just keeps backfiring and it has lots of compression and spark. Videos coming up on it and a few others, guys. FL350 Rotax swap. I ordered a couple pieces for these rave valves. And when they get here, I'm going to be throwing this motor into that bad boy. We got a Rhome versus Z125 video coming up that we did. The Banshee BW video is coming back. Ooh, look at that. Fuel cell for this thing. Holy crap. Guys, lots of videos coming. Appreciate you watching. Be sure and get up in there. Happy 4th of July. If you're not from America, make sure you don't give up them freedoms. Whatever you do. You don't want to be any less free than you already are. You know that. So, God bless America. God bless all you guys. Happy 4th of July. And if you're watching worldwide and you're not in the United States, then just revolt. My only advice to you would be revolt.
Oh, you in there? Oh my God! Oh, you better take your phone out. Throw it in the pool, Brett. Brett, let us know. Throw it in the pool. Throw it in the pool. Throw it in the pool.
Parker's got some stamina on him.
No! Watch out, Bubba!
Ah! Y'all are gonna hurt each other.
You're inside the house.
Oh my God!
My God.
Stay back, boy.
Wow. With the white part?
It's about to start going crazy.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Yeah, that's the blue part.